You are going to love the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, front disc rear drum brakes, remote trunk release, FWD, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.